Are you looking forward to make that easy and perfect meat pie? Oh my goodness, you are the right place because this was absolutely easy, and then the outcome was so perfect and very delicious. Just look at that, the softness. It wasn't cut, but it was very soft and very flaky as well. Just look at that, and rich. Now I just want us to start today's activity. Okay, I have my 13 cups of all-purpose flour. I added about a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. You can omit it, okay? And I did not add a lot. Mix it very well, and then you are good to go. In this case, you can decide to add your salt, but we are not going to add salt because of the butter we are using. So the butter contains salt, and the one going to enjoy this does not like a lot of salt as well, so that is why we are not going to add any salt to it. Okay, now I'll go ahead and then mix everything so it is well mixed, and then we continue. If today is the first time here, or you've been here before and you haven't followed or subscribed yet, please do so for me. My name is Lena, and welcome once again. So mix it very well, and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us. If you want short videos like a minute duration or less, please follow us on our YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and then TikTok as Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. After mixing, this is what we have. Absolutely perfect outcome. Okay, so at this moment we are just going to add our liquids, and you can see we haven't used any, like, the ingredients we've used so far are small. Okay, yes, few ingredients, but perfect outcome. I've added my milk. If you want to add water, you can go ahead and do so. Any liquid of your choice. I remember some time ago, Versatile Nana, she's a content creator, was asking me if she can use breast milk because I said everything liquid. She's funny. So use either milk, any milk of your choice, or water. You are good to go. Okay, no breast milk. Mix it very well so it comes together. Okay, yes, and as you can see, the milk wasn't enough, so I added more. So you add it to it bit by bit to get that perfect outcome we are looking for. As I talk to you right now, all the stove in the house is full because I'm doing other things, so I don't have time to go and fry this or put this on fire. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, I have my corned beef here, and this is the less sodium. Okay, it does not contain a lot of salt because we don't want it to be salty, or we don't want a lot of salt in there because of the person I'm preparing this for. Now I have the corned beef here. I'm just going to add my ingredients, and then we are good to go. When making this, you can add carrots or any vegetable of your choice. Carrot, green pepper, onions, any vegetable of choice, but we are going to add only onions to it. So before we add the onions, I have my ginger powder, I have garlic powder, I have my pepper, and the pepper we are using is the cayenne pepper. Okay, can use any of your choice. We are not going to add anything salt to this, being salt or seasoning that contains salt or anything. Okay, yes, because we don't want it to be salty. Now after adding that, I'll go ahead and then mix everything perfectly, and then we are good to go. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching, so please Can you like the video for me? Share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section. I have now added my onions, and I will just go ahead and then give it a stir, and then we proceed. I'll be very happy to know how you make your meat pie in the comment section. So I poured it in this and then kept it in the microwaved it for about 3 minutes, and we are good to go. We just don't want it to over cooked or microwaved. Yes, because when you bake it, it is going to cook inside very well. The inside is going to cook very well. Okay, now this is our dough, and I'm just going to I use the rolling pin to roll it up, and then I use my bowl to cut it. So I'll just go ahead and then add the filling. There are some people, they like a lot of filling, others they don't like. So with this particular person, she likes a lot. If I even use maybe 1 tin of corned beef is to a pie, she'll be happy. That is just by the way. So yes, we are going to add a lot of filling to our pie because that is how she wants it. Now seal it very well with your thumb or any of your fingers, or you can seal it with your fork, toothpick, or your skewers. You are good to go. Now you can as well use your knife to cut it like this if this is what you have. Usually we use the bowl to do that. Okay, yes, but I usually do it this way. I always want to be special and then be unique. That is just by the way. So seal it very well, and then you are good to go. You repeat the same process again till you are done with everything. As I talk to you right now, my egg wash is ready, and I'm just going to brush the top of the pie with my egg wash, and then we can proceed. My oven is at 350 Fahrenheit. We are preheating it for 10 minutes before we put the pie in. That helps the pie to get ready on time because it is already preheated and the inside is hot already. Okay. Yes, if you don't have the brush to brush the top, you can just use your finger. You can go through some of my pie recipes. I use my finger for those who don't have the brush. Now after 25-30 minutes, our pie is ready. Just look at that. Absolutely good and delicious, perfect. And she really fell in love with the pie. I remember the first time she wanted me to do pie for her, she requested for 3, and now she can even request for about 50, 80. Yes, I've shown it the mangasa. The pie is so good, and it was very easy to put together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.